and Union Committee of Indian Parliament 1 year. The district has the placed under the change of the district officer who is empowered to promulgate order to prevent any danger breach in the peace. The district magistrate, which is following not the recommendation of second ARC, establishing vigilance committee in the office of district collector. That is not the recommendation of the second ARC. So establishment of vigilance committee in the office of district collector, that was not the second ARC. Cantonment board classified into how many categories? 3. Only committed bureaucracy Indira Gandhi, which is following known as the function of the कोतवाल. So कोतवाल के जो फंक्शन है उसमें नहीं है. ही हैज़ रेगुलेटरी रोल इन एजुकेशनल अफेयर, ये सही नहीं है. अथॉरिटी होती है मजिस्ट्रेट की, वहाँ काम करेगा. पावर्स होंगी म्यूनसिपल लेवल पे और फाइनेंशियल मैटर्स में. करप्शन में हेल्प इन असिमुलेशन न्यू ग्रुप इनटू द सिस्टम एंड दस सर्व एज द सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ रिफॉर्म, दैट इज सैमुअल हटिंगटन ने कहा था. स्पेशलिस्ट आर नॉट fit for the post of the secretary and specialist possesses a narrow vision. Science begins with the observation and must be ultimately returned to observation. William Good and Hatt ने कहा था. When a universe is heterogeneous and too large, the best sampling is stratified sampling. In which of the tools science it define the major orientation, it offer the conceptual scheme, it summarize facts, and it does predict the fact. That's not true. Which of the following is the not associated with the random number used for sampling process? That is William Good ने कहा था कि that is random number is not used for sampling. Welfare state is criticism by expensive. Financing the services has become a burden and cost has to be borne by the middle and upper middle. So instrument of progressive taxation. As per the memorandum of article, in each of the participating state social welfare board, the chairman of the board, preferably women social worker, the state board is to perform such function as entrusted to it by the Ministry of Social Welfare. That's not true. And more than half of the member of this are to be nominated. That's not true. Which of the following is not part of the PPP? Blot, bill, lease, operate, transfer not part. Bolt and boot are part. Blot is not. National Livelihood Mission is part of social welfare. And National Rural Health Mission aims at the development of physical infrastructure in rural. That is not true about the livelihood mission. 44 question is the function and policy making are the public enterprises. 44. So member of the generally part-time, member are generally full-time is incorrect about the functional policy making board of the public enterprises. Which of the following should be the function of the district metropolitan planning committee according to the second ARC? So advice to the planning commission is preparation of 5-year plan नहीं देता है, but yeah, concerned rural urban planning, spatial planning, and advice to assistant to local body in the preparation of development plan and their effective implementation. In case of metropolitan corporation, a separate ombudsman should be constituted. Veerappa Moily ने कहा the government of India should draft and place before the parliament framework law for local government, that is National Law Commission. Which is following composition of the ward committee is municipal area not correct. In the case of 2 or more ward, the chairman of ward committee shall be nominated by the state government. 2 or more ward committee, chairman of ward committee shall be nominated by the state government. The State Finance Commission provided 243I. Which of the following is defined panchayat as in village people doing administrative, judicial and other function? That is John Mathai ने ऐसा कहा था. In the simplest term, the administration is determined action taken to pursue the conscious purpose. Wig ने कहा था of the 3 dimension of Matt the Simon is not among that public administration with social welfare, while private is the profit oriented. That's not part of it. Public administration bureaucratic, while private is business like. Public admin political, private is non-political. Public administration red tape, private is free. Which of the following not a feature of formal organization? Shared value and the common standards in the informal not formal. Which is following not correct? Wilson, he was the chairman of the American Society for the Public Administration. He was not the chairman, he was the professor. He was president of USA and first comparativist in public administration. Administrative state by the Dwight Waldo and the एलिमेंट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन उर्विक ने दिया था. एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव थ्योरी जो थी वो डाइड वाल्डो ने स्टेट जो था ड्वाइट वाल्डो ने दिया था, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव थ्योरी जो थी पीटर सीफ ने दिया था, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन विलोबी ने दिया था। MP Follett can be considered as a link between classical behavioral. MP Follett developed certain principles and their universally as well as the stress on the importance of emotion. A process of fusion of individual aspiration with goals and skills, organization position, individual conduct with the organizational role, that is Chris Argyris. Coexistence of formally or differentiated structure of differentiated society with undifferentiated structure is overlapping. Valence expectancy Victor Room leadership is defined by the result attribute and the productivity work is not responsibility of the worker but of the manager. In the context of new public management theory, from rule result oriented, from system to enterprise, from duties administration to right, from decentralization to centralization. That's not true about NPM. Organization is the form of every human associate for the attainment of common purpose. मुन्ने ने कहा था, according to Chester Bernard, organization is not a leviathan. It's prejudice sense of bureaucracy. That's not true. Figure of organization man. That's not true. Important system of coordinated human being. ओके क्लासिकल अप्रोच जो है फेरियोल ने दिया था, ह्यूमन रिलेशन अप्रोच एल्टन मेयो ने दिया था, सिस्टम अप्रोच बर्नार्ड का था, सोशियो साइकोलॉजिकल डगलस मैकग्रे का था। निकोलस हेनरी क्लासिफाइड वेरियस मॉडल ऑफ द पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेशन एक्सक्लूजन अ कंजप्शन पैराडिगम, दैट्स नॉट ट्रू। इंक्रीमेंटल पैराडिगम, रैशनलिस्ट पैराडिगम एंड स्ट्रेटेजिक पैराडिगम. So Henry Fayol classified various model of policy formulation that was exclusion consumption paradigm, that's not part of it. Comparative public administration organization must have the view embedded in the specific culture. Both the study and practice are the previously value loaded. Principle of public administration seriously inadequate. Any proper discipline must have complementary macro aspect, that is not the comparative public administration. Comparative administration group जो है established in the year 1963 में, then initially funded with the foundation, then chaired by the Ricks and established in the USA. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग बताना है। सबसे पहले मेट्रो काउंटी आएगा, देन आएगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, देन आएगा शायर, देन आएगा पैरिश लास्ट में। द सिटी मैनेजर एज द चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफ काउंसिल मैनेजर फ्रॉम ऑफ लोकल गवर्नमेंट इज अपॉइंटेड बाय द काउंसिल। तो दिस इज सिटी मैनेजर, चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल जो अपॉइंट कर जाता है काउंसिल से। द डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज प्राइमरी कंसर्न विद टास्क एंड प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मुलेटिंग इम्प्लीमेंटिंग 4 Ps, दैट इज रोनाल्ड स्टोन ने दिया था। Who among the following express the view that administration in the developing countries is imitative rather than the indigenous, that is फेरल हेडी ने कहा था कि ये imitative है rather indigenous. FW रिक्स जो था नेशन बिल्डिंग एंड सोशो इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस की बात नहीं की थी। कॉमन गिंजर ने चेंज की बात की थी। चतुर्वेदी ने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की अंदर, हानबी ने अचीवमेंट ऑफ द प्रोग्रेसिव पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमिक सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव। अरेंज द फॉलोइंग करेक्ट सिक्वेंस बताना है। सबसे पहले कल्चरल हर्डल्स आएंगे, देन अप्रोचेस टू डेवलपमेंट, पॉलिटिक्स आएगा, देन पॉलिटिकल ऑर्डर, चेंजिंग सोसाइटी, देन लास्ट में फ्रंटियर ऑफ डेवलपमेंट। डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस फॉर कैरिंग आउट द प्लान चेंज इन द इकोनॉमी, ये विडनर ने कहा था। कैबिनेट का मतलब होता है पार्ट ऑफ द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर, इंस्टीट्यूशनल बाय द यूजेज, एंड लास्ट है पॉलिसी मेकिंग, बट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी कैबिनेट नहीं होती है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट है अंडर द कॉलोनियल राज द प्रीडोमिनेंट नेचर ऑफ द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वाज द रेगुलेटरी एज ए मैटर ऑफ डेलिबरेटली पॉलिसी स्ट्रेटेजिकली सेंसिटिव पोजीशन इन द गवर्नमेंट इन ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर। अरेंज द फॉलोइंग गोपाला स्वामी अयंगर रिपोर्ट है, गोरवाला रिपोर्ट है, लास्ट में है एपल्बी रिपोर्ट, एंड उसके बाद है फर्स्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिपोर्ट। राजीव गांधी के टाइम पे EN वर्मा नहीं थे। इकोनॉमिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की बात किसने की थी? तो इकोनॉमिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की बात की थी LK झा ने। द कमीशन ऑन सेंटर स्टेट सरकारिया, कमिटी ऑन द प्रिवेंशन करप्शन सरकारिया, संथानम करप्शन वाली। रेलवे वाली जो थी दैट वाज द JP कृपलानी। Which of the following not the report of the second administrative reform commission, that is efficient conduct of the state enterprises, that's not. Which of the following statement regarding all India service are correct? तो सबसे पहले न्यू ऑल इंडिया सर्विस में बी क्रिएटेड ओनली इफ काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट डिक्लेयर टू डू सो बाय द मेजोरिटी, दैट्स नॉट ट्रू। न्यू ऑल इंडिया सर्विस में बी क्रिएटेड इफ इट इज़ नेसेसरी और एक्सपीडिएट इन द नेशनल इंटरेस्ट। ऑल इंडिया सर्विस में बी क्रिएटेड बाय लॉ पास बाय पार्लियामेंट। All India's judicial service may also be created by the Parliament by law. Before independence, the appointment to the All India service are made by Secretary of State of India. On the oath, experience seem to the show interest. Taxpayer cannot be left spending department. This statement given by the Halande Committee, which is following about the institution of Cake India, is correct. It is a colonial legacy. That's true. आनंदा ने दिया था प्रोग्राम परफॉर्मिंग बजटिंग, तावराज ने दिया था फाइनेंशियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इन इंडिया, प्रिस्नस ने पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड वाटल ने पार्लियामेंट्री फाइनेंशियल कंट्रोल की बात की थी। द फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री एक्सरसाइज फाइनेंशियल कंट्रोल ओवर ऑल द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. It is responsible for the formulation and exemption of the budget, which is following not the feature of good sample. Sample should be in big size. That's not true. Science is defined an approach which aim at the finding of ultimate truth. That not is science. Accumulation of systematic knowledge, a method or approach to the entire empirical world, and a mode of analysis that permits the scientist to state proposition. Which of the following is not a limitation of scientific method? It's eliminate arbitrary and ambiguous opinion, so that's not the limitation. Which is the following not a limitation of questionnaire method? Less expensive नहीं होता है. According to Good and Hatte, simple observation is most useful. Which of the following exploratory study में simple observation होता है? Which of the following definition element of public policy? Declaration of the goal, prosperous course of action, a declaration of general purpose and authorization decision. Which is the following proposition? Social security में maternity benefit act आता है. Policy analysis is concerned with finding out the impact of the policy. Put the forward stage rational policy. So सबसे पहले आएगा discerning the problem, then appraisal देखा जाएगा, then review देखा जाएगा, लास्ट में formulation of alternative देखा जाएगा. Public administration theory listed to the political scientists on policy making and implementation. New public management lay emphasis on the deeper role of the public agency in the managing the delivery public service. That's not true. Which of the following is the optimum model of the public policy of the drawer? That is economically rational and extra rational model that is given by the drawer. Which is following stress upon the involvement of voluntary organization. 7-5-year plan. Halande report on the machinery of government and Masterman report on the budgeting for the political activity of the civil servant. Hoover organization executive branch of the government and Plowden report control of the expenditure. Now, which of the following is rational privatization? First is release the large account of public resources, stemming the further outflow of the scarce public resources, reducing the public debt, beneficial effect on the capital market. The growth of the rural settlement which have acquired urban characteristics is very slow. 11th 5-year plan. Which of the following being implemented through the watershed development approach? First is drought prone area desert development program, integrated westland development program, integrated rural development program इसमें नहीं आएगा. Now next is decentralization of the function and the power of the headquarter to the field officer is known as geographical decentralization. The popularity of the organization and department at the district level has created many problems. District administration is ordered to the effective must have the unity of the purpose and singularity of approach, which is often found missing. Which of the following not correct regarding development role of district collector? He takes initiative to take up needs based development program. That's not true about this. Protection of natural environment is first is natural environment को जो protect करना है. The responsibility of the state under the constitution, the fundamental duty of every citizen, mandatory function NGO. That's not true. The legal responsibility of the national capital region. That's also not true. Rural development means provision of social service, improving infrastructure facility, providing economic help, capacity building. Arrange the following of the rural development. सबसे पहले आएगा ट्राइबल एरिया डेवलपमेंट, देन इंटेंसिव एरिया डेवलपमेंट, देन रोड प्रोन एरिया डेवलपमेंट, लास्ट में आएगा कमांड एरिया डेवलपमेंट. सबसे पहले आएगा लोकल फाइनेंस इंक्वायरी कमेटी, देन टैक्सेशन इंक्वायरी कमेटी, देन आएगा रूरल अर्बन रिलेशनशिप कमेटी एंड लास्ट में आएगा नेशनल कमीशन फॉर अर्बनाइजेशन. रूरल अर्बन रिलेशनशिप कमेटी एंड नेशनल कमीशन फॉर अर्बनाइजेशन. Rural development program are from the lack of effective monitoring. Rural development administration is deficient in professional and have a multiplicity of the authority. मनरेगा open for the social audit, implemented the gram panchayat village level, implemented village panchayat development for the gram panchayat at the village. That's not true. Mean for the all unskilled able-bodied for the desirous seek work, implemented by the village development officer and the gram panchayat at the village level. That's not true. Civil society is the organization promote participative democratic value. The silent feature of the participative democracy is the presence of the large number of voluntary agency. Which of the following prescribe a local government-led community-wide and participatory effort to establish comparative action strategy for environment protection? That is local agenda 21. Next is which is the following not included 11 schedule, that is planning for the economic and social planning, that's not there. Which is following is the recommendation of the PK Thungan committee. First is 5-year plan of Panchayati Raj. Then Panchayati Raj body should not remain supersede. District collector should be made of the CU and Jila Parishad, and setting up the State Finance Commission. Panchayati Raj Divas 21 April. Lord Ripon Resolution 18 May 1882. And next one is the global constitutional has to be the liberalization of the trade. It has led introduction to the competition, encouraged the FDI, and it led to the adoption of policy and privatization. Which is following is correct regarding economic and social planning in comparative concurrent list. Which is following known as the third sector of Indian economic cooperative. टेलीकॉम सेक्टर का पार्ट नहीं है. एडजस्टमेंट टू द इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी रिजाइम इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द टेलीकॉम सेक्टर. द रोल ऑफ नेशनल प्लानिंग एजेंसी इन द फॉर्मुलेशन फंडामेंटल सोशल इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी एंड पॉलिसी इज नाउ टेकिंग शेप इन द ग्रेटर डिग्री and parliament and from play a new social political force within the community. Now next one is National Capital Region Planning Board is statutory body. The community development program was started by recommendation of Krishnamurti committee, Krishnamachari committee, that is community development program. And which of the following is correct about the rural cooperative? First is value of self-help group and self-responsibility, then survival type of activity into the legally protected and productive work, and then their members are generally both producers and beneficiaries. They are school of social dialogue and democracy. So all four are there.